Right, so I want to use this photo, and I think I didn't show you one of the way I correct exposure for this one. And instead of going to camera raw filter and doing all those stuff, I'm just going to grab the solid color adjustment. I usually do this first a lot. Just turn it off, double click and select a place. I taught you this method in correcting exposure and also color. So just pick it and turn it back on, change the blend mode to divide, and now it's actually too bright. So what you just need to do is to take it all the way up, and there we go. We have this image, so before and after. So you can see some of the red tone coming back, and now we have this one. Okay, so apart from doing that, in this image I noticed when our lips is tilting like this, the nose is also tilting like this, so we also need liquify for this. And I think I'm going to use this picture for body alignment and facial alignment. Okay, so apart from that, let's quickly do some retouching the same way I taught you about retouching. We can do that right here. No, we need to work on the, let's first of all create a stem visible layer, and then grab this tool, and I'm going to create a curve like this and drag it down. Please, you can do this later, sample, and just remove. You need to make it look real, and there we go. Sample an area. I wonder why it's okay. So let's look up. We can do that as well. Yeah, I'm gonna quickly just do some rough work. So grab this one, the sample outside, and drag, sample somewhere outside, drag, 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 drag. All right, let's say this is what at least we have something nice. So Ctrl D to deselect. I'm going to quickly remove this one. All right, so now we have before scattered air, and this one you can as well do this. Let's just sample somewhere outside, and sorry, oh come on, we'd rather use frequency separation for that. All right, so now Ctrl J twice, name this color, enter, name this texture. So this is what the plugin would do, like I normally tell you. So let's select this to name it frequency separation, but the plugin won't do all this naming. Open it up, turn this off, select this. The skin is already smooth, so let's go filter, blur, and Gaussian blur. I'm going to blur it, not 5 this time around. Let's take it backwards, and let's look for, I think I'm going to use this place. Yep, so just take it forward. Yeah, 3. I think 3 should be, don't stress, let's use 3. Oh, let's look. Oh, this is cleaning it already, so I'm going to use 3, and it's okay. Go to the texture, select, turn it on, go to image, apply image, and it's going to automatically bring this dialog, and you can choose color, subtract, and okay. So you can see little texture we have, so it simply means we're good to go. Change the blending mode to linear light, and you know what to do, start brushing. So I'm not going to do all those brushing. Just to remove this air for you, you're going to select this one and then zoom in. Let's zoom in, and you can just paint. Sorry, I'm on the wrong layer. So select the texture, select the clone stamp tool, and let's select somewhere close, somewhere here, and click downwards. Okay, so like that, select somewhere close, click downwards. That's what the result you will get. Now for you to clean that one, you select this one, the mixer tool brush, and select the color layer and blend it. So once you blend it, it's going to leave, so you don't need to start saying, oh, it's not going, it will. So you need to continue blending it till you have it all gone like that. So also you need to also avoid it. Let's zoom out. You need to blend all this together. So like I said, I'm just showing you how to get rid of those. Go to the forehead and you can blend. I hate using mouse. I'm just doing a very quick rough work. So you can see that even before I use the please, you chose a very low blur value. We chose a very low blur value, so don't do mistake and work on the blend the air, because it's going to affect. You can see that even before choosing the texture, I've already removed that, what's it called, blemish, or that pimples. So you can do this at your leisure time. Let's just quickly see before and after. So before, after, and you can just choose the texture layer and start fixing all this like we normally do. Okay, so I don't want to make the video long, so you know what to do. Let's move ahead to another topic.